Hello everyone, welcome to Kick Out TV where we look at all the fun stuff. Today we're going to do another unboxing video, which is the unboxing of the Wi-Fi card. Now folks, there's two parts to this Wi-Fi card and we're just going to unbox it together. Or I don't know whether I should do that, but yeah, there's two parts to this Wi-Fi card and it's really interesting. A lot of people don't know this, but you can save a lot of money by doing things this way. So I'm going to unbox the Wi-Fi card first, and I will show you what it is, because it's really nice. Here it is. Here's the unboxing video. Here's the item, and yeah, I'm just gonna throw away all this packaging, which we don't want to look at, because it's very dirty, you know. Yeah, you know, in the logistics, they are very fast, and they don't care about your packaging as long as you get it through the belt at the warehouse. So they just show your packages all over the place, and it'll be very dirty to hold it. So the packaging, like you see all these wrappers, they're all very dirty, all dusty, and they just throw stuff around. And they, yeah, I mean, I'm not saying everyone's going to throw your package around, but packages do get like tossed around when they get moving in the aeroplane and stuff, or on the ship. So here's what it is. This is the Wi-Fi card, folks. And I told the seller, please wrap it in nice bubble wrap from all the way from China. And they did just that. Thank you so much to the seller. Oh man, so much bubble wrap. Look at this. This is like a $1 million thing, you know. If you have never seen it before, this is what it is. It's a special chip, and I don't think, if you haven't ever seen it before, it's the Wi-Fi card. And you know that you can actually buy for desktop and laptops, you can buy a Wi-Fi card. Yeah, and it comes like this. It's so tiny. This is what it looks like. It's inside the packaging here. Oh man, it's so small. Oh wow. There it is. Okay. I'll just put it down. I don't know if you can see it, but there it is. It's the Killer 1650X from Intel. Yeah. It's the Killer 1650X. You know this Wi-Fi card chip? They put it in the Alienware Aurora from Dell. So Dell, the gaming computers, Dell, they actually put in the Aurora, if I'm not mistaken, the Aurora, they put this Wi-Fi card in for the Wi-Fi 6, and it's a very fast Wi-Fi card from Intel. Intel actually partnered with another company. I'll put the name of the company here to make the Killer 1650X Wi-Fi chip here, and this is the same chip they put in the Alienware computers, which you can buy for 12,000 ringgit in Malaysia. This is the Wi-Fi card they put in to all the Alienware products, some of the Alienware products like the Aurora and laptops maybe and stuff like that. So yeah, the Killer 1650, really nice Wi-Fi card, and I'll tell you why I bought it like this, because in the next unboxing video you'll see why I bought this, not the full Wi-Fi card that you always buy from the shop. I just buy the chip. So this is what it looks like. Simple PCB, and yeah, if you want to look at the key, that's the key design. That's it. All right, so I'll come back to this later and show you why I bought it like this. So folks, if you like this content, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.